Good morning, everybody. Okay, now a little bit of sunshine on a rainy morning. Thank you for being with us. We have some of our, we have Father Theo here, we have some of our parish council members here, we have the youth here, but most of all today is the first Grandparents' Day in the Universal Church. And I thought, what better day to open our parish office, and what better day to, and who better to have than grandparents themselves. As I said at Mass this morning, we often think of calling important people to open our offices and our churches and whatever else we have, not realizing that very often the most important people are our laity. And we have Edwin and Florrie here today to represent all grandparents and to represent this entire parish, as we thank God for the gift of this new office. Now I would like to invite Edwin and Florrie, Father Theo, myself. We will go to the office, we will inaugurate, we'll ask Edwin and Florrie to cut the ribbon, and then I will ask Father Theo to, as soon as the ribbon is cut, to bless the office.
The new parish office is fantastic. It looks good, it's well designed, and a lot of thought has gone into it. I'm so glad that Father Warner chose today, which is Grandparents' Day, to officially inaugurate this new wonderful office. And I'm also honored that my parents, who are also grandparents, were asked to inaugurate the office by cutting the ribbon. Probably they are the oldest grandparents probably in this parish. But I just want to say that it's great to see that the parish, all the parishioners are now able to access this office very easily, being on the ground floor. It was quite tedious to walk up 3 floors sometimes, quite often when the lift wasn't working. But now it's easier to access this office, which means it's great to come closer to the church. I just want to thank Father Warner. I want to thank everyone who has organized this. It was fabulous to have this inauguration on Grandparents' Day. Thank you.
This is our new parish office, and we have moved out from the 3rd floor, and all new cases which need to be done can be done from this office henceforth.
Yeah, the office is looking nice painting, nice finishing. Even I think the setup is done very well by Luis. It's good.
I have to thank Father for giving me this opportunity to design the place in our own parish, and most important was that for me. Secondly, this design, what I kept in mind was people who are the people who are sitting here should be comfortable, not having very bright colors on their, while working. And secondly, the storage which was given to them, because we have got a lot of storage things to be put inside. The church has got a lot of documents and all that. Thank you very much. Thanks all of you all, and thank Father for this.